Welcome to the bridge of the Here's to Us and what yacht to do. Today a very short trip down to Grafton. We are at Mel's and we docked here. Mel is not well. We hope Mel gets well. The restaurant is closed, so we docked here and explored the town a little bit. There's not much to explore. About the only place open was Big John's, where we went up and just got a little bit of a local flavor, and a convenience store here. So Hardin, Illinois, and Mel's Riverdock restaurant. 22 miles down to Grafton, and let's go.
Leaving this dock, only once here. The cleats are great. There's plenty of cleats to tie to. And last time we were here, we had about, I don't know, several looper boats. Some rafted off of each other, but there's no power, so everybody's in the same boat. Well, so to speak. When Mel's is open, we highly recommend that you stay here. The day is beautiful. The water is flat. It's a great thing about locks. That keeps the water regulated. We're flipping around, continuing our journey south down the Illinois River. But that's Hardin, Illinois, right here on the river.
Yeah, so the importance of looking at your route and ensuring that you're going the right way. Navionics planned me through this cut, which I don't want to go through. And so the main channel is this way, and in low water, there's no way I'm going to go that way. So Navionics doesn't know that it's low water, but you do. So do the right thing. As I'm coming up here, I'm looking and I'm going, that's the way I ought to be going. And yeah, probably should have caught this before we started out, but I've been down this way before. So I caught it now, and so what we're going to have to do is just put a couple points out there and steer to them. And we also got a call by a tow. It's going to be on 12 Mile Island, and they anticipate us coming there, and they called out and said, hey, pass us on the 2. So we'll just steer this thing on heading hold and get around the area here and then rejoin the route. But don't let these things bite you, because otherwise it would have taken us through that area over there, and I don't want to go there.
Ooh, that would be scary, wouldn't it? Such a narrow channel.
Here's a classic case for having AIS, because it's rare that tows will call you. However, this guy was very proactive. He is the Neil Deal, and he called us back there because we got this big bend in the river that we're navigating on, and he knew, based on his speed, and he could see our speed, where we were going to be when we passed. And he said, hey, pass me on the 2, and we had a conversation, and he asked us about the loop, and there was somebody on board who was following us and knew about us. However, this works out really nice because we timed it to be able to pass in a straight section before he's going around these big challenging curves here. So we're maneuvering to be on his 2, and just another case for having AIS. And as you're navigating these turns, it is real difficult for these tows here, and I don't know how many he has. He looks like he may have a full load of 15 there, and being proactive. So good call on the tow captain's side there. He saw us and we worked it out. We're going for the 2.
That ferry is that the Liberty Bell?
traffic is Liberty Bell, yeah.
Liberty Bell's taking a bunch of cars over there to the other side. We are not far from Grafton, Illinois. Yeah, it doesn't even look like there's a road there on the other side. He's just gonna let them off in the jungle over there. Oh, here it is. It's over here, Sam.
Yeah,
look.
That's it.
Oh. I'm sure he appreciated you turning. We're getting very close to our destination. I don't know if you can see it up there. There is a giant American flag flying. So they certainly do not want us to miss them.
Go ahead, grab three.
Yes, sir. We're going to come in for a pump out and plan to tie on the starboard side where our pump out is, so, and then go to our slip.
Sounds good.
Mr. Fuel dock kind of runs perpendicular to the shore, is that right?
Correct.
So would we tie on the, I guess, upper side of the dock to get the pump out?
Yeah, it'd be the downriver side.
All right, downriver side, so I'll have to come in and spin around then.
Yeah, probably. Do you know how long it's gonna be before you get here?
I'll be there in about 5 minutes.
Yep, that's no problem. We'll be here waiting for you.
All right, any issues with depth in there?
No, you shouldn't have any issues to turn around.
All right, thank you. See you soon. All right, so...
Hey Joe, this is the cross vessel coming in that was supposed to be on D dock.
I got it, Dan. I'm familiar.
Oh, thanks JJ.
I think she said vessel. I know you think we're special.
Yes, the fuel dock is in here, so we'll be downriver.
Okay.
Well, thanks for coming along with us on this short trip from Mel's Riverfront Restaurant down to Grafton, about 22 miles. And got here, got pumped out, a little bit of challenge with that, but they finally got it working, and positioned ourselves here nicely to be able to see the river from the bridge, and we'll also see the roadway from the aft bridge. So we'll see you next time on Here's to Us.